impressing me. You remember when I said this?
From what I'm looking at, it's not going to be crunchy.
Hey rich friend, it's your rich friend PG. Welcome to the channel. On today's video, we are going to be doing a wash and go on our 4C hair using this Taraji P. Henson'S Tough Cookie Styling Defining Gel. Without further ado, let's get into this video right now. According to Tough Cookie, is a style defending gel, sleek, shape, and define. Okay, it is 8 ounces. I bought 2 jars. One is $9.99, almost $10 for this jar. I feel like it was not going to be enough for my hair, so that's why I bought 2. Hi, my name is PG, the chick without a niche. On here I do everything: natural hair, fashion, straight talk videos, anything that I feel like doing. It's a clear liquid. Look at it. It's very clear. It feels very smooth. It feels like, what is it, aloe vera. So here it is, here it is. Very, very, very snotty touch. It smells like this. It smells like baby powder. I am not joking. Why does it smell like baby powder? We're gonna get it started. 12 midnight. I got my detangling brush. It has that soapy feel to it. You guys seen this? It's not impressing me. It's not impressing me. Come on. Give me a reason to believe you. It looks like it's going to be a lot of residue. Yeah. But the curls are there. It's there too. Like it's looking curly. Yeah. Yeah, the curls are there. But if I decided to leave it like this, once it dries, the curls is not gonna pop. So you guys know how I do it on here. I'm gonna coil it. Let me show y'all before y'all say I'm being biased. It smells like baby powder. At least it does not stink. You gotta put a lot of gel in it to get result. This thing about $10, almost $10. Here it is. I'm really not impressed. I mean, I can leave it like this, but I'm not. Y'all know me. I like my curls to pop. So see, there we go. This is gonna have a residue. You know what's so fascinating about me? Like, once I see a gel, I touched it, I put it on my head, I know it's gonna have residue. Oh, the power of playing with a lot of gels. But the smell though, that's the one I'm not understanding. It's not going to be hard. It's not going to be hard. Yeah. My shoulders are starting to hurt. This hair, I have to do it very neatly because your sis is trying to go out Saturday. So it has to be very fine. The curls got a pop, baby. I'm sleepy. So here we are so far. What I said, it is going to be flaky. It's gonna have a lot of residue from what I'm looking at, or it might not have. Hey, if you have watched throughout the video till here, please subscribe. I know I don't say that a lot, but please subscribe. It helps me a lot. And if you have already subscribed, turn on your post notification bell. It also helped me. And if you have already turned on your post notification bell, please like this video. Like it. It helps other people to see it. If you have liked this video, comment if you like it, or if you don't like it, just comment. Say it really helps me a lot. Let's give this video at least 50 likes. Screw up, come down on the left and like. Who all do you know that don't get paid to come every week promote a new product just for you? Most of the people who comes on here be like, thanks to this product for sponsoring today's video. They most of the time get it for free, or they are being sponsored. This one, I spent my coins, my own money, so it will be very helpful if you subscribe, like, comment. That's all you can do for me. But yeah, the hair is giving what it's supposed to give, and I'm liking it. I'm gonna turn around so you can see it. Okay, we're gonna do this. What? What? Girl. What? Baby girl, I love the curves. The curves are so small and very precise, and that's what I love about it. And I'm still on the first jar. Woo, my shoulders are killing me, y'all. My shoulders in pain. The smaller the hairpiece is, the tighter the coils. Here we're at. So here's how I'm feeling about this hair gel. It smells like baby powder. I use 1.5. Nothing in here. And here's the other one. You need a lot of gel to like get your hair curly or curly. From what I'm looking at, it's not going to be crunchy. It's gonna be a little bit of residue, but it's not gonna be very much. So I will be back for my final thought. I'm gonna let it air dry because I'm tired. What time is it? 3 o'clock a.m. Yes, sis. Yeah. Girl, you remember when I said this?
From what I'm looking at, it's not going to be crunchy.
I like this. It's hard. Like, look. Hard. Like, crunchy, hard. Look. Man, so disappointing. Because that's like $20 I spent. It's hard. It has residue. You cannot lay on somebody's chest with this hair. That's all I can say. It smells like baby powder, but that's my review. Like I said, I bought these products with my own money, so I can review them the way I view them. When I buy something, I'm reviewing it from my experience. I'm not reviewing it from watching other people's stuff. This is not a paid presentation, and even if it was a paid presentation, babe, I was gonna tell you it's what? so hard, harder than some baking strips. Like it's very hard. It looks good from far away. Like if you're not touching it, you let it sit right there, you good. But let somebody say, let me touch your hair, they're gonna be like, what did you put in your hair? I hope you enjoyed this video. Shout out to Taraji P. Henson for, you know, trying to bring out products for us, the black girls or the other girls. Maybe if I mix this product with the other stuff that came with it, maybe it'll be better. But I don't have money to buy everything. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Like I said, my name is PG, your favorite chick without a niche. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my social. And without further ado, I'll see you in my next video. Remember, you're not poor. You're just broke, baby. Peace.